In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix broken or dashed lines not showing in AutoCAD. If you've ever selected a dashed line type, but it still appears as one continuous solid line, don't worry, this is one of the most common and easiest issues to fix in AutoCAD. Whether you're working on architectural plans or detailed engineering drawings, this quick step-by-step guide will help you make those dashed lines display perfectly. First, take a look at the line in your drawing that's giving you trouble. You've probably already assigned a dashed line type, but instead of seeing the dashes, you're just seeing a solid line, right? That happens because of something called the line type scale or LT scale setting in AutoCAD. When this scale is too big or too small, AutoCAD can't visually display the dashes properly, so the line ends up looking solid. Let's fix that. Go ahead and select the line that's not showing the dashes. Then move your cursor to the command line at the bottom of your AutoCAD window. Type LT scale and press enter. AutoCAD will now ask you to enter a value. This number controls the spacing of the dashes. If you're not sure what to use, start with a base value, try 1 first. Press enter again and take a look at your line. Still solid? No problem. Try typing LT scale again, and this time enter a higher value like 10. Now zoom in a little and check your line again. You should start to see the dashes appear. If they look too close together, try a smaller value like 0.5. It's a bit of trial and error, but once you get the right value, your dashed lines will display exactly as they should. To make sure your changes apply to all the lines in your drawing, type region in the command line and hit enter. This refreshes your display and updates everything on screen, a simple but often overlooked step. Here's a quick tip to make the process smoother. If you're working in model space and your dashed lines look fine there, but not in layout space, try adjusting PSLT scale as well. Set it to 1 to make line types appear consistent between model and paper space. This small tweak ensures your dashed lines look perfect in every view. Once everything's set, your drawing should display broken or dashed lines clearly and evenly. This not only improves readability, but also ensures your designs look clean and professional when printed, and that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you've learned how to fix dashed lines not showing in AutoCAD quickly and effectively. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial helped make your drawing process smoother. If it did, go ahead and share it with others who might be facing the same issue. Why not help someone else get their lines back in shape too?